Hi there, my name is Clay Hicks. I'm the CEO and founder of H7 Network. I hope you're having a wonderful day. We have a new workshop coming out. It's called Develop Your Champions. It's for brand new members. It's for any member. It's for any member that might be renewing, just renewed, doesn't matter. But what that workshop is I'm going to take you through how to use H7, how to maximize your experience in this community. And it will be a workshop. And it will be set up to where we're going to walk through how to use it the best of your ability. See, we specialize at H7 in creating a process and an education to back it and a platform to back it that supports a single individual member from being alone to having one champion relationship. I'm going to show you how to create that single individual champion relationship so that all you have to do is duplicate and repeat the process. That's what I'm going to do this month and on a monthly basis. Be sure to check for the dates that we're advertising, but it will be held once a month. And my job, personal responsibility as the CEO and founder of H7, is to share with you everything I know. I may not know everything, but I'm going to tell you exactly how to use H7 to the fullest so you can create those 5 champions and predictable results for your networking. I'll see you at the workshop. Let's develop your champions together.